J is for jelly, wobbly slice. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, with a roar in the sky. Swinging on trees. N is for nest in the breeze. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for penguin, waddling around. Q is for queen, with crowns so bright. R is for rainbow, a colorful light. S is for sun shining in the blue. T is for train, choo-choo through. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the lane. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone music too.